This is Friday the 20th of March 2020. 6 years and stuck there near the Clare yard.
Gasfly, is it? Gasfly, is it? Gasfly. Hey, hello. Yeah.
Gadfly, yeah. Gadfly, yeah, you're right.
Unusual, eh? Oh, Gasfly, you're a new girl, are you? Are you new girl? Make me nervous. Make me nervous. This is my ocean bliss here.
Yeah.
Hello, girl. Hi. Ocean bliss. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Oh, that's so Penny Pulse. Penny Pulse. Oh, Penny. Penny Pulse. Hello, girl. Penny. 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 I know you very well. Us two know each other. I know you a long time, Penny. Come on, you don't be nervous with me. I know you a long time. And you know me a long time. You don't be nervous with me. I know you a long time. Hello. You can see.
Yeah.
Hello. Look at this marking. This marking. This marking here, look. I really use a marking.
Yeah.
See, look. I really use a
Strange,
marking.
yeah.
Yeah. Hello, girl. Hello, girl. Bringing them in. Hello. Hello.
Okay. Hello, little things. Okay, so you get a closer look at them here. Hey, sweetie, how are you, baby?
This is Gasfly. That's Gasfly. This man's called Gasfly. It's new. Yeah.
Okay, so babies, they will stay with mom until they're 6 months old. Okay. Now, what will happen is usually they'll all be put into herds, and they will stay in those herds so that when we do take mom away, it's not so hard on them because they're with their friends. Because at 6 months they're big. And usually mom is pregnant again. So
Can't get a film thing.
See this little one here? So that little black one, that's going to be the little one black one. So once we wean them, split them up. They're all microchipped. They get a microchip in the neck when they're about two to a week old. You can see they have little head collars on them. So on their head collar, on the little tag, so on their tag is their mom's name, their dad's name, and their actual date of birth. And they don't get named until they're sold.
Yeah.
So whoever buys
Bring them in now, yeah?